Here, Ying. Oh, almost finished. Oh my God. Candy, I will slap you. I showed the mommy. Yasha, I showed the mommy. You're eating candies.
Number of kids. Ilang ang anak?
Gabi!
Oh. Sigaw, happy birthday. How are girls, okay? Wala. Isa, dalawa, 4 and 5. Okay. So 2 points for the girls. Dalawa pa rin po sa mga lalaki. So it's a tie. Okay, next category. Arrange yourself according to nakailang ex ka sa buhay mo.
You want the balloon?
Magsabi kayo kasi tatlo to. Apat na lang. Okay, so yun na. 4 points. 4 points na lang. Isa na lang po kayo ng panalo. Okay, boys? Kunti pang bilis. Okay, next category. Arrange yourself according to size ng paa, sigaw, and we also ask Kuya JC and Ate Crystal to join us here in front for the blowing of cake and the slicing of cake. Pwede ba natin ma-slice na rin? Kung meron tayong meron ba tayong dyan? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Buster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
One more.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Adeline. Happy birthday sa akin.
Pwede, Oh, may bisita ka. Say, Mommy. What are you doing? Ayar, come, Mommy. Yeah. We will take after the picture.
Why they're not? Sorry.
Hello. One more time. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy line. Make a wish. Make a wish and blow now your candle. Sa amin yan, candle. So, make a wish and blow now your candle, baby girl. Yes! Happy first birthday! And of course, since dito na rin si Mami tsaka si Dad.
Ang wish ko sa, siyempre, kay Marcy Luz, sa baby ko, katulad ng mga wish din ng mga magulang na. Good health, siyempre, wala sila nasa upper tayo. At siyempre, magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos. At magkaroon ng respeto sa magulang. Hanggang sa paglaki nila. Yun lang, maraming lang.
Adeline, happy birthday! And I
wish you lumaki ka ng may pananalig sa Panginoon at maging magalang at maging marespeto sa mas mga nakakatanda sa'yo at sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And sana lumaki kang healthy, smart, be always happy. Lagi kong wini-wish sa inyong dalawa ng kuya mo na lumaki kayo mabuting bata. At sana matupad niyo lahat ng wish mo in future. Yun lang po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Adeline.
Saan si Ron? Kuya, halika kuya. Ayan. Ayan. So, meron tinuro si Lola kanina. Si Tita. Si Tita. May kamukhang artista. May kamukhang artista si Tita. Mas kamukha niya si ano dito. Si Lynn. Si Lynn Labuyo.
Ayos lang yan. Enjoy natin.
Ito na rin yung mga tito, tita natin sa harap. Mamimigay na lang ako ng mga papremyo. Okay? So, question. Dito na tayo kay tita. Tita, ano yung kinatatakutan ng mga Pilipino na nagsisimula sa letter M? Manananggal! Manananggal is wrong. Ang tamang sagot po ay maniningil. Tingnan natin kung hindi ka matakot. Di ba nakakatakot yun yung maniningil? Congratulations! Okay. Okay. So next question. Asan yung iba nating mga kanya-kanyang tago sa kwarto? Ay, nasa Bulacan.
Baby Joy Joy! Gabi o Adeline? Gabi! Gabi o Adeline, no?
Once again, happy birthday, Adeline. Let's enjoy the rest of the evening.
Teacher, teacher.
Ayan, ito ang sabi ko. Ito ang sabi ko sa Liza.
Ayan. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan o. Ayan. You, I, math, Wag history, math. Love life. Little love.
You want
Ang si Jaden love.
You want
Ang si Jaden, ang si Jaden,